Hello and welcome to Fiona's Creative Canvas. I'm Fiona and today I'm doing an acrylic pour and I've got quite the different colour palette here today. I've picked 7 colours, earthy colours and some blues. These 2 colours on the end, I'm actually not sure how much of that I want to use because I wanted it to be quite light. So I've left the sticks in here because I might just drizzle a little bit into my cups. And I'm going to be doing flip cups and a swipe over the top. So let's get started. Alright, so I've got 3 cups here, and like I said, I want the light colours to be predominant. So I'm going to start with this colour, which is a Amsterdam warm grey. This one here is Amsterdam Titanium Buff Light mixed with titanium white. And then this one is Amsterdam Greyish Blue mixed with titanium white. So I'm just gonna maybe dirty pour a bit. Let's go some light here. Might keep this one, trying to decide. These are my 3 main colours. Let's add a bit of dark blue in here. I should say darkish. Add a little bit of my bronze in there, and maybe here, and maybe a little bit of the blue there. I will add a smidge of the light blue in this one and some darker creams there. Might do some layers. Right, I'm going to drizzle a little bit of this in now. And this one on the other end. A little bit of the blue in this one, maybe not much more blue in this one. A little drizzle. It's quite thick, this paint, maybe a little bit too thick. A little bit extra in this one, and I'm going to keep some paint left over because I suspect this isn't going to be enough and I might do another couple of cups. This is a 20" by 30" canvas. Actually, I think I will fill these. I'm going to need it. Alright, let's try that. Like I said, I can top these cups up again and see what happens. I'm going to put the blue one in the middle. I might flip that here. Whoop, splashed outside a bit there. And like that. So I'll come this way and go that way. So let's just let them drop down. I always love this Prussian phthalo blue, but I'm not sure if I actually wanted that colour in this piece, but we've got it now, so I can still add some other colours over the top. And yeah, I'm going to swipe with Amsterdam Titanium White. Alright, let's take this one first. drop to the bottom. Oh dear. Gonna need something in here for sure. And up here. Got lots of that bronze. Feel like I almost need to make up some more colours. Particularly this one. So I'll come back in a minute. Alright, made up some of the warm grey. I'm going to pour that in here with some light blue, some dark blue, or greyish blue. I'll leave it like that. Going to tilt this a bit. Just to see what we've got. So I might put this here. Gonna empty those. This is really pretty. Trying to decide where I want to put my swipes. Alright, I might blow it with a torch. And let's swipe. I'm going to put a couple of colours here, and I'm going to swipe from here. Just adding a couple of colours to drag through. So let's put the Amsterdam Titanium white on. I'm thinking I'm going to probably do 3 swipes. Let's go. I really like this bit here. So I might come this way. Nice. Like that, I think. So I'm going to leave sort of this. I don't know if I want to take anything through there at all. Let's put a little bit of light blue here. Ooh. There we go. Let's take those colours through. Okay, I like the fact that that one goes further through the centre and it gives this bit down the bottom here. All right, that's my swipes. Now we just need to empty all these cups so that I can tilt. Where am I going to put this one? I don't know. These two I'm going to keep and use in another painting. Do I want to put something just here? Maybe I will use some of this. Just got a few spots that I want to make sure that if they stay on, they look interesting. So my fork's handy for that. All right, do I want more paint up here? Maybe. Let's tilt. Have I got enough paint on there? We're about to find out. Love this and love this. Okay, I need more paint up here. Where's my fork? I don't expect this to stay on. It's just to help things move. Let's have a feel. This is quite a big canvas. I'm not used to it. I'm going to go off this corner first. Okay, I guess we're going this corner next. Back to the center. This is tricky. Took too much of that off. Let's turn it around, I think. I really like this, but I think I need to take it off a bit more. Let's turn it around. Okay, now I need to work on composition. I love this top part here. This is too big. Okay, I'm going to turn it around again. All right, I want to go down and across. Let's go down first. Just taking that blue up here, further up. Most of the paint's down this side, so this side's moving faster. And I'm going to lose some of that pretty bit, but I think it's important for the composition. I'm going to bring it back a little bit. A big block there that I'm not too sure about. I'm not sure about having this right in the middle, but just taking it further across that way. Getting rid of that block and moving that center off center. Now lacing up in this corner. It's gorgeous. Alright, got some gorgeous lacing in there. Some of it's just stunning. It's really like created a shadow on some of that there. I'm going to clean up my corners and I will bring it in for the wet result. Alright, oh, this is the big one, trying to fit it in the frame. Sorry about the lights, but I need some kind of light so that you can see. But the lacing on this one is gorgeous. Look at that. It gets better too, because I like the way, if you have a look here, we get a bit of, it looks like shadow, like the lacing is casting shadow, and you get that up here as well, which is really cool. This one I think is definitely going to look good on the portrait angle. So when it's dry, I'm going to show you all the different angles on this one because I'm not sure which is going to be the best way to hang it. So I'll bring you back when it's dry. Okay, here is the dry result, and the lacing still looks fantastic. It is a very light piece, but I think if I put some varnish on it, it'll bring a little bit of the brightness back. So I'm going to show you the different angles. So we'll call this A. This is B. This is C. I don't mind this one as well. It sort of brings this lacing to your eye up the top. And then this one, which is D, which I quite like. Yeah. So let me know which angle you guys like in the comments below. That's it for this one, and I shall see you all in the next one. Bye.